Ernakulam, which was known as the IT and commercial capital of Kerala, the Ernakulam junction is one of the major railway stations of the Indian Railways. It was once the capital of the Kingdom of Cochin. Shortly, I will let you know what kind of water problems Ernakulam is facing and its solutions. Stay tuned with me. This is Shreyasi and welcome to Aquaguard India. Ernakulam, bordering the district of Thrissur in the north, Idukki in the east, Kottayam and Alleppey in the south, Lakshadweep Sea in the west is an amalgam of a holy heritage and a global growth of industry and commerce. The densely populated Ernakulam district embodies the achievements of the Kerala state in literacy, industry, trade and commerce, and for the outside world, Ernakulam is a part of Kochi, referred to in the history of Kerala as the Queen of Arabian Sea. Famous for its ancient Hindu temples, churches and mosques, the district includes the largest metropolitan region of the state, Greater Cochin, and a large number of industries in the Kerala state. It is the third most populous district in Kerala state after Thiruvananthapuram and Malappuram. It yields the most revenue and contributes to 60% of the annual state revenue. Malayalam is mostly spoken there. The flora of this district is tropical and it also hosts a large number of international and domestic tourists in the Kerala state. Aluva Sivratri festival at the Aluva Mahadeva temple attracts people from around the country. Cochin International Airport is the fourth largest international airport after Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, which serves the international passengers. There are a lot of places in Ernakulam which are very famous, which are also known as the Willingdon Island, Bolgatti Island, Palium Palace, Chirai Beach, Fort Kochi Beach, St. Francis Church, which was originally built in 1503, which is the oldest European church in India. According to a leading newspaper, shortage of water at the Bhutanketu Barrage had affected water supply in areas of Ernakulam district fed by the Periyar Valley irrigation scheme and led to a rise in the Kadambrayar river. Even when the water level in Periyar continued to rise, Ernakulam district was heading towards a severe drinking water crisis, and as you all know, consuming unhealthy water can lead to a lot of life-threatening diseases, including typhoid, cholera, diarrhea and all the skin diseases. So to avoid anything of that sort, we need to consume clean water, which can only happen if we have the right kind of water purifier. All of us have a lot of questions while buying the right product for the well-being of our family. So to answer all your doubts and queries, we have Aquaguard India's water expert. You can call Aquaguard India's expert and take the right kind of advice according to your requirements. Water expert will do a need analysis of your requirements and check all the parameters like brand, capacity, budget, water analysis, technology and suggest you the best purifier according to your requirement. If you're already using a water purifier, you must get it serviced from time to time. Otherwise, there might be a possibility that its membrane, filter or any other spare part might get damaged or even the whole of the machine. Aquaguard India is in the industry from past 17 years with 5,500 service centers across 1350 cities with a network of 20,000 technicians and a happy family of 15 lakh customers. That's why people trust Aquaguard India. You can be anywhere in Ernakulam and Aquaguard India will provide you a well-trained and qualified technician which will take care of proper hygiene at the time of servicing. Aquaguard India's technicians, they use genuine RCI manufactured spare parts which are ISI and NSF certified and quality cost effective. So if you want any service related to your water purifier, whether it is your installation, AMC, exchange or repair, you can contact Aquaguard India. Aquaguard India's contact number is 926 888 7770. That's it from my side. We'll meet in the next video with some more information. That's me, Shreyasi, signing off.